The new 2022 Toyota Tacoma Trail Edition has a beautiful factory lift kit that's ready for almost anything you can throw at it. The Toyota Tacoma Trail Edition returned for the 2022 model year. A new lunar rock color option, bronze finish 16-inch wheels, and a heritage-inspired grille, a factory lift kit, and other bronze accents. Take a look at this beauty. I mean, just look at that. Wow, I mean, that fits right into the landscape with that color. It's just amazing wheel color package you have here with these Wrangler Goodyears. And you got the nice bed and the protective covers, and you got the different compartments to put your stuff in. And you can also go on a date in your Tacoma. Bring the couch. I don't know where you're going to fit that at. Probably have to tie it in the trunk or something like that. And then you get to get your girl to sit on it and just sit down and enjoy some marshmallows. Toyota Tacoma, they bring a tent so you can get in and get some whoopee action going on. And get some bicycles just to ride off the carbs when you finish eating those ribs. This is an awesome SUV, folks. Take a look at this. Now, Toyota introduced the Trail Special Edition and Toyota Tacoma Tundra and a 4Runner last year in February. The Tacoma is back with the 4x4 double cab. An emphasis on storage, styling, and off-road performance. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is the storage that you have here. This is just awesome. I don't know where they put that damn couch, but this is just straight up awesome. Starting with the lift kit, 1.1 inch boost at front, 0.5 inch added to the rear, and this is just more room, more space. You have taller coil springs, front ear dam, which is standard on the SR5 spec, was removed in favor of adding more ground clearance. The Tacoma had that approach angle at 34 degrees and departure angle at 23.6 degrees. Straight up awesomeness. And other related performance things come as the, of course, the headline by the lunar rock option. And the others are the Omri green, get the midnight black. This is just awesome. Other colors, which are fantastic colors. You got the super white, you got the black metallic, and the rear bumper, and the new color key match for the exterior. Versatility, lockable bed, more safety. So when you're going out Black Friday shopping, you can hide your stuff from unwanted eyes to be prying down upon it. And you got that 4x4 logo, which is straight up awesome on the back, the Tacoma. You got that reliability too. The interior has a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with 2-way power lumbar support, dual zone climate control, tan stitching, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa compatibility. You got USB media ports, backup cameras, and you got a whole lot more, a whole slew of many features. And you got that beautiful, beautiful Toyota reliability as far as with that 3.6 V6 engine, kicking out 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. And an awesome towing capacity of 6,400. You can't beat it. You can't beat it, folks. And the Toyota rugged and reliability and trade-in value, I don't know, it's second to none. I don't think the competition can touch the trade-in value and the reliability of a Tacoma. You know it's going to be around for days to come. And not only that, but other people are going to want it when you do trade it in. You know you're going to get what you, hopefully you can get what you're asking for it. But you'll have more of a bargaining chip. What an awesome pickup. The new 2022 Toyota Tacoma Trail Edition with a factory lift kit. It's just awesome. You're ready to take on the wilderness and ready to enjoy the outdoors and ready just to get some alone time in the woods, your bike and a tent, and you have a fantastic time. A Automotive Reviews, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hey you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.